Hello. I was at the bank the other day and I noticed someone struggling to fill out a bank deposit slip. They're fairly easy. This isn't the first time I've seen someone struggling, so I thought I'd make a tutorial on how to do that. So first of all, you can find these in the back of your checkbook if you have checks. They will be there. If not, if you don't have checks or a checkbook, you can find these at the bank. Every bank has them. So the first thing you need to do is find your account number. Find the account number of where you want it to go, where you want it to deposit to. Then you just write the date, the name on the account, and if you're getting cash back, you would sign it here. In this example, we aren't getting cash back. What I've done here is I have $150 in cash, so I wrote that here where it says cash. The second line is a check for $300. This is the check number. You'll usually find it on the upper right hand corner, I believe. So you just total these up. We're getting no cash back, so you put 0 here. And the total. This is the total deposit. It's really that simple. I do have a second example to show you. On the second example, we do the same thing. Put the account number here, the day's date, the name on the account, and you sign it since we are getting cash back on this example. In this example, we had 3 checks, which we do not have room to list them here. So what you do is you go to the back and you list your checks here. You put the check number and the amount. So we've got 3 different checks here, which all total $155. You take that total, bring it onto the front side, write it here where it says checks from the other side. We want $40 back, so our total deposit would be $115. Again, it's really just that simple. Hope this helped.